Let's see how to fix Discord stuck in gray screen problem. So our first solution is we need to completely end our Discord. So just close your Discord and right click on your task manager, open task manager, select processes, and in this list you need to find out Discord. So right click on Discord and click on end task. After doing this, press Windows R key to open the Run app. In here, type this command %appdata% and click on OK. In this folder, you need to find out the Discord folder. Select the Discord folder and click on Delete. Once it's successfully deleted, now you need to go ahead and relaunch the Discord app on your computer. And this will relaunch the Discord app on your computer. Now just go ahead and use Discord without having any gray screen or gray stuck screen problem. So this is how we can actually fix this problem. Thanks for watching.